today, since we're in our music class or music theory class, I'm going to teach you the basics of how to read measures, how to count and clap them. So I'm going to show you this clip from this movie. It's called Drumline. These like the drum battles. And in order to get to this point, they have to go through everything I'm going to show you guys. So this is the basis of what's going to happen here. Let me just show you. It's just about a minute long. So you got the general idea. So like I said.
Jack, I'm going to move your chair up.
Okay.
Come on, you guys, you should be on time. Right over.
These are the outcomes we're going to learn today, like I said. So we're not going to be that advanced, of course, on the first day, but maybe at the end of the school year. And so today, at the end of our lesson, you guys are going to be able to count and clap 3 measures and to write out a measure of your own with the 4/4 bar correctly. So it's exciting, isn't it? It's so fun. So let's see. Okay, so I will begin with explaining to you what a measure is. Does anybody know what a measure is? A measure of music? Do you know?
I don't know how to explain it in English, but it's like how many...
Like how many beats?
Yeah, beats.
Yeah. So that's correct. So if any of you guys know anything about music, like if you have a little basis of knowledge, a measure can be, it's just how many beats there are. And so there are different kinds. So there's like a 4/4 measure, 3/4, 2/4, 6/8. There's a bunch of different kinds. But today we're just going to stick to, I believe the easiest one is just 4/4, which means, so it's 4/4, which means there are 4 beats for the measure. So this is a measure with 4 beats. So I'm going to show you what it's called a whole note. I'm going to begin with the whole note. Can any of you guys, do you guys have any idea, can you take any guesses what a whole note is? If it's called a whole note, how many beats do you think it gets?
4.
Yeah, good job. So this is what a whole note looks like. It's just a big circle. Yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to clap and count. Yeah, all these notes right here. Yeah, it's like perfect for notes. And so to clap this one, well, okay, so it'll be like, I'm going to start off with the whole notes. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because there are 4 beats per measure. And to clap it, so you clap once, and then, but count to 4, so like 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys understand? Can we do it together? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. You guys do it without me now? Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, good job. That's correct. Next, we have something that's called a half note, which looks like this. Can you guys guess how many beats that has? If it's a half note?
2,
Yeah. So can you guys count it and clap it?
1, 2.
Yep, so make sure you clap the second beat if, yeah, you like move your hand. That way you can acknowledge that there is a beat and not just one. So let's do it again. Ready? Go.
1, 2.
Yep, good job. Next, we have a quarter note. Can anybody guess how many that is?
1.
Yep. Because you know there's 4 quarters in a dollar, right? So there's 4 quarter notes and 1 whole note. Do you know how many quarter notes are in a half note? So this is worth 4 counts. How many is this worth? 2 counts. What about a quarter note?
1.
Yep. Okay, so if this is 1 count, how many fit in a half note?
2.
Yep. And how many half notes in a whole note?
2.
Yep. So how many quarter notes in a half note? I mean in a whole note?
4.
4. Yep. So good job. So let's say if, can I write, do you guys get this or do you want me to leave it up? Leave it? Okay. I'll erase it later because I think you guys can get it. So I'm going to write, I'll show you. I'll do a different color, mix things up. I'm going to write out a measure and I want to see if you guys can count it and clap it for me, okay? So,
Okay, Emily. Keep going, I'm gonna talk while you're doing that. Have you done your teacher modeling part of this?
yes, I have.
What did you do?
Like say it or wrote it?
Do it.
Oh, no, not yet.
So what you want to do is write that measure and then you do it to get by yourself.
Okay,
Following exactly the way you want them to do it.
okay.
And then do another one for them to do together. And another one's individual.
Okay, so I will count and clap this measure for you, and then to show you what to do. And then I'll give you guys another measure, that way you guys can do it together, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? So, 1, this is worth 2 beats. So this will be 1, 2, and, wait, just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys understand? Okay, I'm going to give you guys a measure now. Let's see if you guys can do it. Get ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good job. You guys are so good. So, since you guys are so good, I'm going to go one step further and teach you something. Even, I'm not going to say harder, but it makes it more fun, I think. Because the faster you go, for me, the more fun it is. That's what I think. I'm going to teach you an eighth note. Okay, an eighth note looks like this. So it looks like a quarter note, it looks like 2 quarter notes, but there's a little bar connecting them. So this is called a quarter note, and this is 1.5 feet. So this is 1 and. So there are 2 quarter notes two eighth notes and one quarter note. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So if you see this, this equals this. So it'll be 1 and 2 and. So here is like the beat, like if you like tap your toes, like you count with your foot, that's easy, that's really easy to keep the beat. So it'll be like, so for this one, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be 1 and 2 and. You understand? 1 and 2 and. So this is one beat. This is the second beat. Are you guys understanding? Do you have any questions?
Well, I mean, kind of understand.
It's like one chord is right, and then the eighth note is like, okay.
Yeah.
Faster?
So
Faster.
yeah, it's faster. So this is, I'm going to do 4 quarter notes. Let's all do it together. 4 quarter notes. Ready? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right, because they're 4 quarter notes. I will show you the same amount of beats. So can you guys keep beat for me? Can you just clap? Just clap. Like, yeah. You guys all clap? Okay. Just keep clapping. So this is 4 quarter notes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. Keep clapping. This is 2 half notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? And then this is 1 whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Can you clap one more time? Keep clapping. I'm going to show you the eighth notes. So it's going to be a little faster. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you see it's faster? Yeah. But it's still in the same time frame. So does that make more sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. Like I was saying, we're learning 4/4 bar. So there can only be 4 beats per measure. So I'm going to write, can I erase this now? Yeah? Do you guys feel pretty confident? I think you guys got this. I feel pretty confident that you guys can do it. I'm going to write 2 measures of beats on the board. And one of them is going to be incorrect. And I want you guys to tell me which one and why. This one, and then there's this one. Okay. You guys take a guess as to which one is correct. Yes. So remember, there are 4 beats per measure. And so, okay, I'll write a little. So this equals 4 beats. This is a whole note. Half note equals 2 beats. Quarter note equals 1 beat. And eighth note equals 1.5 beats. So by looking at this little key, can we count this? Yeah. So let's count and clap it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So is it half 4? Okay, so that's correct. Now let's come to this one. 6. Yeah. So can you guys clap it? Or let's clap. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So there's more than 4 beats in this measure. So this is incorrect. This is a totally different structure that we will learn probably next week, but not today. We're just sticking to 4/4 today. So this one is wrong. Who is brave enough to come up here and make a measure of their own? Do any of you guys feel confident enough? No? Delta? So you can add whatever you want, but remember, it has to be 4 beats.
Yeah. 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, you look up here if you get confused.
Okay, wow.
Okay.
Is this exactly the same as you do, this one?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
So can we clap and count that one? Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, good job. See, so you guys are learning the basis of this music. So as the weeks go by, we're gonna add more and more on. And then at the end of the year, you guys will be able to drum like how those people were. Because things build up and add on. So now, we're gonna play a little game. Alright, come on. Oh, before the game, I forgot. I have to teach you guys about rests. Do you guys like rest, like the name? That means there's no count. There's no beat on that count. So I'm gonna draw a rest the best I can. They look like something like this. That's a quarter rest. So 1 quarter rest, so 1 count, or 1 beat. 1 quarter rest is equal to this, correct? A quarter note. So, but this is a rest. So to count this, we just separate our hands and just go like this. So if we're gonna do, I'll show you, like if I'm gonna do 3 quarter notes and 1 rest, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's rest. That's 1 beat rest. For a half rest, can you guys guess how many counts that is? If it's half? If we're learning about 4/4? So, do you remember how many beats a half note had?
Half.
2 beats. Okay, so let me write. This is a whole note. This is a half note. Quarter. And an 1/8. I don't think I spelled that right, but. So if this is a half note, can you come here and see where it says half?
6. Okay.
Yeah. So how many beats of rest do you think that will be?
2.
Yeah. So 2 beats rest. So half notes and whole notes, how many beats do you think that has? Yeah. So half notes and whole notes look the same. The way to tell them apart is if when they're written, let's say we have 2 quarter notes. And this. Do you think that's a whole note, or a whole rest, or a half rest? If there are beats in the measure. So can we count this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So this will be a half rest. But if we take out these notes, and there's nothing else, that means that gets 4 beats, correct? You guys understand? You have questions? Am I going too fast? I good? Okay. And so with this rest, it looks, I'm a terrible artist, so it looks sort of like this. So let's do 3 quarter notes, because each quarter note is 1 beat, correct?
Yes.
And so the rest looks something like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we count and clap this rest? I mean this measure? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so the rest you separate your hands and you still count. Oh, you can acknowledge its presence. So now that we know about rests, let's play a little game. So we need 2 teams. So we can do, let's see, Delta and Brent and Bonga and Jacqueline.
But I have a question. Can those teams can be in the same nation?
Yeah. Like all of this? Or what do you
The rest?
The rest? Yes. So there can be like this, so it can be like this, then a quarter note, and then a half rest. As long as it adds up to 4, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? Okay. I'm going to write these measures on the board, and we're going to have a counting and clapping contest. So, as I write these on the board, do you guys mind like talking amongst yourself and just maybe asking or answering each other's questions that you might have and catching Brent up while I write this on the board? It should take me like 1 minute. So just 1 minute, just free time.
No, I was looking at the symbols over there.
So do you guys have any questions I can be answering while I'm writing this on the board? Something maybe a clarification before we start playing? Now's the time to answer. Winner gets a prize.
The cherry one with the empty hole inside is 1, 2, and then the cherry with 1, 2, and the last one is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, let's count everything. It's like 1, 2, so then the one is 1, and then the second is 1, 2, the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it?
Can you repeat that out?
Make it bigger and bigger.
1 and a half, and that one is, if one bit is like 1, it was like 1, 1, 3 is half, but faster. But the same. For example, I do 1. No, I do 1. I do 1. Do it again. Oh, see? It is 100. You do it like 1 and I do just half. So it's separate 1 and 2 half.
Almost done. You sure you guys don't have any questions?
stop one, like the rest, it means don't clap. The first one, that one, like this. Over there is one rest. It's like one beat, you just don't clap your hand, just do this. And the second one is 2 beats, is 1, 2, you rest 2 beats. The third one is 4 beats, you rest 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't clap your hand.
The one below the shade, the color, right? The one without the color, we're not gonna clap, we just,
Yeah, rest.
yeah.
But you have to count as 4.
Mm-hmm.
Every column is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I do number 8,
Number, let's do it. Number 6. The first one, number 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Like 1, 1, 2, 1.
I'm thinking about that.
You got it? Everything is 4.
Alright.
Can I rest?
One more, are you guys almost ready? Okay, Brett, are there any questions you have? Any clarifications? Anything?
Can you repeat how to do the last one, 1.5?
1.5? So,
How to make the sound? I mean, yeah,
like how to sound it or how to count it?
how to count it?
So there are 2 of these, and actually it's not 1.5, it's just half of each.
Just half, right?
Yeah,
That's
half
right.
beat.
I was confused. I don't think
So,
1.5.
yeah, sorry, it's half a beat. So there are 2 of
Alright.
these and 1. So it'll be like 1 and 2. So that's 2 beats. So like 1 and, that's 1. So that's 1 of these. 2 of these equals 1. So this will be the first note of each beat has the number. So the second one, since it's not number 2, correct? It's not number 2. You'll just say and. So this will be 1 and. So if there's 2 of these, it'd be like 1 and, 2 and. Does that make sense? Like you'll understand in a second. So I'm going to point to a number, and the first person or the first team to raise their hand, I'm going to let them count and clap it out. If they do it correctly, then you guys get a point. But if you get it incorrectly, the other team has a chance to steal your point. Okay? So, hold on, let me get the prizes. Yeah. So incentive. If you get it correct, you guys get a starburst. Okay? So you guys want to get it correct. The starburst are just really good. So let's do number 4. Can you do it?
Let her do
We
it,
can
you
do
know?
that.
I mean, your team raised your hand, so Delta, can you do it? Number 4? Okay. So, ready? And make sure you guys practice too in case she gets it wrong, which I'm sure she won't.
We're gonna do it together or only here?
Together. Let's do, do you feel confident in it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Then yeah, then do it. Both two together. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 1.
Okay, let's just try clapping it, okay? Let's not count and clap at the same time. That was a little tricky. That was my fault, I'm sorry. So let's just clap it, okay? Here, the first one, I'll do it with you guys. So this is a practice round, ready? 1, 2, let's all do it together.
Okay.
1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, good job. So you guys got that. Okay, so let's do number 1.
Yeah, that's one.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good job. You guys got it. We both get a star first. Good job. Okay, let's
We
see.
do number 2, number 2.
Yeah. Do you guys think you can do 2?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Come on. I like confidence. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah. So the counting is a little off, but the clapping was on the beat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think you guys still got it. We can work on the counting and clapping tomorrow.
That's right.
Yeah. So it was my fault for trying to. I think I put a little bit too much on you guys to do, but that's okay. So who feels confident in doing number 3? Okay, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good job. You guys are so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you guys think you can beat them? Can you guys do number 4? Okay.
Number
This is the one we all did
Number
together.
8.
Yeah. Number 4.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
2, 3, 4. See?
Good job, yeah. I mean, it was right on the beat too.
Thank you.
Like I said, we'll focus on counting and clapping tomorrow. But, okay, now, do number 5. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. West. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1.
Sorry, I forgot to do the little sticky thing. Okay, since we're just about out of time, I want to do one with 8 notes real quick. So can you guys, you guys are next. You want to do 8 or 9? 9? Okay, that means you guys are going to do 8. So practice it out in your mind. Okay, ready? You guys are doing 8, right? Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, here, I'll do it. I'll do it first, and then you guys repeat after I'm done. Okay, ready? So I'm just gonna clap it, and I'll count it. So. You guys do it? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Let's just do the first measure, and then we'll call it good. Okay, ready? Ready,
Which
go.
one we doing?
The first measure. So
Alright.
these. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4. Let's do that measure one more time. Ready, go. Good job. Okay, you guys, let's do this measure. Ready? So this is a quarter note. It's filled in. Ready? Yeah, good job. You guys are all musicians now. You guys know everything. Or not everything. You guys have a basis. But thanks for letting me teach you guys today. And that's my lesson.